Verifying your proof of address on any cryptocurrency exchange, a prop firm account, or any forex broker at all shouldn't be a problem, honestly, if you have the right required legal documents. Talking about rights required legal documents, what I mean is you need your bank statements or utility bill documents. These are the most common accepted documents that you need to verify your proof of address on any of these platforms. Now, if you don't have any of these documents, that is exactly why I come in. Now, I can help you to obtain these documents through the required, process to acquire this legal document for yourself and use them to verify your proof of address easily. Now, for the past months, I've been able to help individuals obtain these documents and verify their accounts easily. I mean, the proof of address on this platform easily. I think you can see some of them on your screen right away. So that is exactly what I want to do for you right now. If you are having a problem when it comes to verifying your proof of address, then all you have to do is to reach out to me. You're going to see my number on the screen. Just reach out to me and let me help you out easily. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's pretty simple. I just have to guide you through the process of obtaining this legal document. Once you obtain this legal documents, you are good to go to verify your proof of address on this platform. But here's a quick disclaimer. This document currently work for only individuals residing in Ghana or individuals whose accounts have been created with Ghanaian details. So any other country, for now, I may not be able to help you, guide you through the steps for now. Maybe in the future, I may be able to do that. But for now, I've been able to help only Ghanaians or accounts created with Ghanaian details. I've been able to help such individuals to obtain this required legal document to verify their accounts. So if you fall within that category, you can hit me up. My number will be on the screen. You can just hit me up and let me guide you through the process. Just before you go, kindly note that this service comes at a token, right, which is generally affordable for everyone, right? So just pick up the WhatsApp number on your screen right now and chat me up. Let me guide you through the process step by step and you are good to go. I'll see you in the next one. This is Godsway here. Stay blessed.